Okay, guys and girls, you guys having a problem with your Mazda Tribute or your Ford Escape? You take your key and you try and start it and it will not roll over. I have a fix. It just takes some time and some knowledge. So first of all, what you do is you turn around, you come down here, there's 3 bolts. One there, and then another one down here, which takes this plastic off. So we're going to start with that. Some of the bolts want to be a pain. But that's okay. Alright. Once you do that, get your plastics off out of the way. And what you want to do is you want to get down to the bottom here. Okay, now what we're going after is the ignition switch, and I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos on how to get at that, which is right here. So first of all, let's see, I gotta try and do this one-handed. Not easy. Okay, push that in, pull out the plug. Okay, plug is out. Then what you got to do is you got to get up in the top here. There's one pin that holds it in up here. Then there's another pin that holds it in the bottom. Clip them. And you want to get your switch out. Once you get your switch out, what I do is I shave off a little piece of this plastic clip and a little piece of this one. And then up in here, you see this edge right here. Shave a little piece of that off so you can take this switch and you can shift it slightly so it makes a better contact. I'm gonna shave this right quick and we'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so as you see, I shaved a little bit off of there, and I shaved a bit off of that one. Now, we take a file, and we come back to the vehicle. And we go in here. Actually, what I'm going to do is use a little carpenter's knife, I think, and shave that out a little bit here. Where is my good knife? There we go. Alrighty. So, this is what it looks like right now, and I'll show you back in a second. Okay, so as you see, I just shaved off a little bit of that edge. Now what you do is put the switch back in. So we take this, we put this in here, we give her a little wiggle and a push, and then you get it to lock in. It shifts down a little bit. What I do is I take a drywall screw like this, and I come up in the top here, and you find out where that other clip is, down in here. I'll show you after I get the screw in here. Okay. This. There we go. As you can see, that's jammed down a little tight there. The drywall screw just goes up in here into the edge of where that clip is, which is down in there. And all you do is you plug her back in and test it. Right there. On. See that? Works perfect every time. And all you got to do is put the plastic back on. So it's under a 10-minute fix, start to finish.